Hello friends, today we will learn how to pass a GST sales voucher in Tally ERP9. So for passing the vouchers, we all know that nowadays GST is mandatory for each sale and purchase transaction. So in Tally ERP9, we have applicable that GST component while passing the voucher entry. So for passing sales voucher, you will go to accounting vouchers. We will go to sales voucher. Either you can select from the list here or else you can press F8. We will give the date. You can, if you want to put some invoice number, you can give the invoice number. I'm giving 98125 for my reference. Party name, sales, we all know we sell to our sundry debtors. So here my debtor is Pashupati Traders. So I'm selecting Pashupati Traders. See, this is where Pashupati Traders details will come. The name, the address, country name, state name and the GST number. We will save it. We will select the GST sales ledger. Now what we are selling to him, I have certain product list, item list rather. We are selling him say paper bags. I am selling him 20 paper bags. So in the quantity place I am giving 20. Rate, say I am selling him at the rate of 500 inclusive of GST. So I'll write inclusive of tax 500. See, Tally will automatically calculate your base rate plus your inclusive of rate. So this is the advantage of Tally ERP Pro 9, that you don't need to separately calculate the rates. So paper bags we will select. Then as Pashupati Traders is located in UP, so we all know there are three types of taxes here: central tax, state tax and integrated tax. So integrated tax always comes when we are selling to our out of the state, interstate. So we will select here integrated one. So integrated tax we will select, and as it is at 18%, we all know, so Tally will automatically calculate your tax amount. So see, now we will go to enter and we will just save the voucher. See, there are some tax amount mismatch here, so that is why Tally is giving us the prompt that tax amount doesn't match the value. So this is the benefit I just want to show you guys, that if you are mistaking any calculation here in the tax, Tally will automatically capture it. So we will check about it. Now we are saving the voucher. So this is how we will pass a sales GST sales voucher in Tally ERP 9. Hope you like the video. Please do comment, share and like the video. Thank you.